Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be opening this little present. Oh, look how cute the box is. And it's from a girl named Lily and her mom. And it's a late birthday present, I'm pretty sure, and I'm excited to open it. Let's open it. So cute. Look at this cute wrapping paper. It's like pink dots. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you what's in here. Look at this. It's fidget toys and some okay. Let's just take out the wrapping paper. Oh my gosh. Let me turn it this way so then it's better. Okay, so the first thing are some cute little stickers, which I love stickers so much. Some party shades. Those are cool. I don't know how I'm going to be able to see out of them, but they're cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just start. A mini orange pop tube. Cute. A mini purple pop tube. A pink one and a blue one. These are cute. Oh my gosh, look at these. Those are amazing. Pretty cool. I'm actually going to try one out. It's not opening. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to listen to the pop. Quiet side, okay. Loud side. Pretty good. Okay, that's this. This one. Pretty good. Yeah. A guitar puppet. This is so cool. I love this. Oh my gosh, these. Oh my gosh. These are really cool. They tickle. Daddy's here. I hear the garage opening. Okay, anyways, let's continue. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's an infinity cube. This one's really good. It's like stiff. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know why I smell stuff like that. A bike chain. Oh my gosh, it's green. I love green. Next, I don't know what to choose. I'm gonna choose this. A snake. This one feels like it's wood. It's pretty cool though. Black and white. Next, I have two marble meshes. These are cool. Another snake. It's green and it feels like the other one. They look the same too, but just different colors. Whoa, these are cool. Now, next one. Oh my gosh, there's like mini monkey noodles. Oh my gosh, they're cute. Daddy!
What?
From Lily and her mom, they sent me a fidget pack.
Aww.
Uh-huh. No, I'm sorry. I had to tell him that. Okay, and a pea popper. I love these. My last one broke, so I'm happy I got one of these. Oh, I have this. It's fine. I don't care. Crayons. I need crayons. I really do. Okay, just a few more things in here. A mini puppet. Another mini puppet. This thing. Whoa! Listen to that. Hear that? I have another one. This green one. That's cool. Sticking to the plastic. These cute little like bears. Oh, these are cool. These are really cool. Huh? few more things. Two more. This dolphin poppet, I guess. It's good. Okay, and this last thing. Yeah, last thing. A llama poppet. So cool. Well, anyways. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Bye.